Welcome to the Rupee Path, where we simplify finance for you. I'm Samir, and in this video, we're going to demystify investing and empower you to start growing your wealth. Want to grow your money but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're in the right place. This video will teach you how to invest even if you have zero experience. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, grab a notebook and let's get started. Before we dive into the hows of investing, let's understand the why. Simply saving money isn't enough. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your hard-earned savings. 1 lakh rupees today won't have the same value in 10 years. Investing helps you counter this by growing your money at a rate higher than inflation. But it's not just about beating inflation, it's about building long-term wealth. Investing allows your money to grow exponentially through the power of compounding. Compounding is like magic. It's the snowball effect of earning returns on your initial investment, and then earning returns on those returns. Financial freedom means having the financial security to live life on your terms, without being bound by financial constraints. Now that you understand the why, let's explore the what. What are the different investment avenues available to you in India? First up, we have stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small ownership piece of a company. Companies like TCS, Reliance, Infosys. These are all listed on the stock market, and you can buy their shares. Next, we have mutual funds. Think of mutual funds as baskets of stocks or bonds managed by professionals. SIPs or systematic investment plans are a popular way to invest in mutual funds. Then we have index funds, a type of mutual fund that mirrors a specific market index, like the Nifty 50 or the Sensex. For those who prefer more stable, lower-risk options, we have fixed deposits, FDs, and public provident fund, PPF. Chapter 3. From Beginner to Investor, your step-by-step guide. Now that we've explored the what, let's move on to the how. How do you actually start investing? The first step is to open a Demat and trading account. Popular platforms like Zerodha, Groww, and Upstox allow you to open these accounts online within minutes. Next, choose an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Do you want to invest a lump sum amount all at once, or do you prefer investing small amounts regularly through SIPs? For beginners, I recommend starting with an index fund or blue-chip stocks. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Avoid getting swayed by market fluctuations or trying to time the market. Remember, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Chapter 4. Don't fall into these traps. Common investing mistakes to avoid. Investing, like any other skill, requires knowledge and prudence. Many new investors fall prey to common mistakes that can hinder their financial growth. One of the biggest mistakes is investing without research. It's crucial to understand what you're investing in. Don't blindly follow tips or invest based on hearsay. Take the time to research companies, understand their business models, and analyze their financial performance. Another common mistake is trying to time the market. Many investors try to buy at the lowest point and sell at the highest, hoping to make quick profits. However, predicting market movements consistently is nearly impossible, even for seasoned professionals. Instead of timing the market, focus on time in the market. Another pitfall is not diversifying your investments. Putting all your money in one stock or asset class exposes you to significant risk. Avoid letting emotions dictate your investment decisions. Congratulations on taking your first step towards financial literacy. Remember, investing is a journey, and the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. If this video helped you understand the basics of investing, hit the like button and subscribe to the Rupee Path for more finance tips. Let me know in the comments below. What's your first investment going to be?